y'all, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, y'all, she already came in with her hair shampooed. She said she had, a good amount of product in it, and she didn't want to come to the shop, with super built up product hair. And as a stylist, I appreciate that. But on the other hand, being that she has color and she's already shampooed her hair, I was worried and a little nervous that I would clarify her hair too much and it would affect the silk press by becoming too dry and frizzy looking. So y'all, the whole time I really enjoyed doing a silk press, but on the other hand, I was like, oh my goodness, I hope this come out right, because I wanted to make sure that I didn't clarify her too bad. Like, I hope I didn't strip her hair too much, the moisture. So what I did was, instead of doing the usual 3 shampoos for a client, I shampooed her only twice, and I did a moisturizing shampoo for each time I did the shampoo. And when I did the conditioner, I made sure I detangled while she had the conditioner in her hair, and then I followed up by rinsing it out. So we shall see, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. And I wanted to say thank you to the ones that are coming to Press Roots. I'm trying to do that more. Like, when I get a request from a client while I'm at work, I want to make sure I ask how did you find out about me, because some of you guys are my subscribers. Y'all are coming to the shop, and that means so much to me. Thank y'all for coming. And once again, if you want to book an appointment with me, the link is below in the description box. You could check that out. You'll have to request me when you book in the notes section. And I just want to remind you guys, this is a blow dry service. This is a blow dry bar, so I only service blowouts and silk presses. So if you come in to get treatments and just your hair blown out without a silk press, you can come. And also, if you do want to get a silk press with your treatments, etc., that. So thank y'all. And once again, like, y'all, you just don't know that I really appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Like, you don't have to, but you do. So thank y'all so much.
I've been working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day off duty, just to show you that my love is real. wanna take another look at you so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me? It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you're posting on the gram, I even tried to call your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone.